Hey everyone, welcome back to another training video. And in this one, we are going to discuss how to georeference your project in Trimble Business Center. So let's get right into it. Before we begin, I would like to mention that this project was registered in Perspective. But if you want to re-register your project or did not register your project in TBC, there are two options that will allow you to do so. First, click the Register tab in the top left corner. Then you will see two tabs that say Plane-Based and Pairwise Registration. Both of these options will allow you to register your project within TBC. Since this project has already been registered in Perspective, we will get straight into the georeferencing process. Click the Georeferencing tab either in the top left corner or right beside the Refinement tab. Scroll down to the Define Transformation section and select the correct point ID and targets intended for georeferencing. The point IDs are the known points that we are georeferencing to. Once you have selected all of your proper point IDs and targets, and you have ensured that your residuals are acceptable, then you have completed the georeferencing process for your project. Now that is all for this video. I thank you all for tuning in. I hope this was very insightful and informative, and please stay tuned for more content. See ya.